Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. So finally we are here on the last day of this workshop. I extend a warm welcome to all of you in this valedictory session. So before going to the details about the online exam, let us first listen to the vote of thanks address by the Chief Advisor Dr. Raz Nandkyolar sir.
Okay, first of all, I would like to congratulate Sonu for conducting this workshop wonderfully. I must say that he has done a great job. I would also like to thank all the resource persons for delivering the lectures. I hope all the sessions were beneficial. We are also fortunate to have such a good number of active participants. Sonu was telling me that almost all participants have actively submitted their daily assignments, and I'm sure you all have learned something from these follow-up assignments. You know, workshops are conducted for a short period and have to be ended within the timelines, but learning never ends. And particularly in the case of LaTeX, this is indeed a fact that the more we use it, the more we learn it. So, with these words, I would like to thank everyone for attending this workshop. I also wish good luck to all the participants who are taking part in the online exams. Best wishes for your online exams. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. You have truly said that the more we do it, the more we learn it. We are so grateful for your guidance and support during the conduction of this workshop. So now let us have a look at the details of the online exam. You all must be very curious to know the structure and the method of conduction of this exam. Let me make it clear that the timing of exam is 6 to 6:30 p.m. today. There will be total 25 multiple choice questions, and each question will be of 4 marks. That is, total maximum marks is 100 and the minimum passing marks is 60 out of 100. The exam will be conducted via Google Forms like we did assignments. And please note that passing the exam is mandatory for the certification. So talking about certifications, we have decided that the participants who pass the exam with a minimum of 60% marks will get participation cum exam qualification e-certificate. And the top 3 exam qualifiers will get the special e-certificates with cash prizes. They will also be featured as tech parts in the Learn LaTeX group. The first topper will get a cash prize of 1200 rupees and the second topper will get a cash prize of 600 rupees and the third topper will get a cash prize of 300 rupees. It is important to note that the tie breaking will be done on the basis of submission time stamps and the certificate will be sent via the emails by 6th of September. So this is all about the online exam, and with this I would like to wish good luck to all of you, and I hope you all have learned something from this workshop. If you want to ask any query or want to give any suggestion, please write us at this email ID letuslearnlatex@gmail.com. So once again, I thank all the resource persons and the management team of Overleaf for supporting us. Thank you so much and take care.